This earth is fabulous. This beautiful red clay in here. It's going to be part of the walls at some point. I'll save that. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I don't know what you're doing right now as you sit here watching me, but this is so much fun. I highly recommend creating a dirt pile and digging in it. It's just a lot of fun. Nature's abundance. This is a big one. Beauty. Every time I unearth one of these babies, it's like I've won the lottery. You can imagine the early settlers digging for their foundations, finding all these rocks and going, hang on, I could build a house with this. It's amazing. Beautiful, just beautiful. Oh. You know, this is the best example of a reframe. These stones, hitting these stones with my shovel, you know, every 2 seconds, I could get annoyed with. But I use these rocks to build my stone wall. So every time I hit one, it's a celebration. So turning something that could be a negative into a positive, it's fabulous. The electrical is well underway. Got some holes in my container. This is where the fuse panel's going. And we're making sure it's a big enough service to run the on-demand electric hot water heater that I'm going to be putting in the Shoilet. So that's being done as well. Going to have a couple of outlets here as well on the outside where the holes are. I would like this area here. When you look back here as part of the concrete pad, I would like to have an outdoor kitchen set up here. So I wanted some power. These guys are hardcore. Look at all this stuff. They're on lunch break right now. There's a whole situation being put in the back there. Wow. That is quite the fuse panel. So I'm putting 2 RV hookups through 30 amp. I'm putting a couple of 20 amp and then some 10 amp outlets in. So I guess they have to have all the fuses for it. I guess breakers. So that's that for now. Work in progress. Just like that. Oh my God. Oh, that little guy sure has grown.